dreamer.
I'm a fighter.
I am courageous.
I am a believer.
I'm brave.
Why is understanding yourself is so important?
Because if we do not know who we are, we're just following a script written by others. For example, our friends, families, and the social medias.
We are born with a name, a family, and a place to call home. But as we grow, something happens. We start to change. We start to build a self that is different from everyone else. We want to know, is our identity stable or does it change as we get older? Does family shape us more or is it our own hidden struggles? Join us as we explore the making of a self.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir. So we are from Bismarck Charlie. As part of our requirements, we are conducting a documentary entitled Making of a Self. So we are investigating how a person's identity shaped through different stages of life. So with your permission, would you like to be interviewed by us?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay.
And may we know your name, sir?
I'm Juan Miguel Di Padua, 20 years old, third year BSMARI.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So let's begin. So the first question is, who are you? If you had to describe yourself using only one word that aren't student or teenager, what would they be?
If I am to describe myself in one word, it would be persistent.
Okay, sir. Now that you're out of high school, do you feel like a different person or are you still the same kid?
For me, now that I'm in college, I can say that I'm a different person compared when I was in high school because now I am more confident in myself and I am definitely more mature.
Okay, sir. Now let's go to the second question. What made you the person you are today?
So I am now today I am me today because of my family.
Okay, sir. So how was being away from home or being in this course change your personality?
So, being away from my family and having to manage my own budget and time has made me realize that I am more responsible and more independent than I thought.
Okay, sir. For our third question, have you ever struggled with who you are?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever struggled? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, have you ever felt imposter syndrome? Like you are just pretending to know what you are doing?
Yes, because sometimes when expectation of others for me are high, I force myself to meeting that those expectation even when it is out of my capabilities. And I do that because I want to prevent them from being disappointed to me.
Okay. For our fourth question, how did your family influence your choices?
Mm. This my family encouraged me to study hard.
To study hard. Next, is your career choice yours, or did you choose it to make your family proud of you?
My family is my biggest motivation. So, but they did not force me in choosing this career. Uh, I choose this difficult degree because I want to give them a better life and I want to repay them for all their sacrifices to me.
Okay, sir. So for the fifth question is, what was the biggest turning point in your life?
Uh, my biggest turning point in life is that since I was high school, my confidence was really lacking, and this made me regret some things many times. So I think that this is where I failed at. But now those expectations helped me boost my confidence and slowly and help me boost my confidence slowly and avoid repeating the same mistakes again.
Then, for our last question, sir, what is something about you that most people don't see?
Something for me that can you repeat this question sir?
What is something about you that most people don't see? Like traits that just into you, you cannot see it or others can see it.
I think it is being really emotional.
Like so emotional.
Emotional, but that kind of emotional, I don't show that to others.
Okay.
I just know for myself.
We will not disclose it to others since it's so personal for you.
I think it is a weakness. So
If others will see it. Okay. So behind the busy student, what is the biggest worry you have about the future?
My biggest worry is that I might not be good enough for the future and in that I cannot meet the expectation of my family.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, is it okay to you to publish the interview with you through our documentary video?
Yes, sir, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
If you are interviewed, you go on.
So, good day. We are from Be Smile Charlie. So, as part of our requirements, we are conducting a documentary video entitled Making Ourselves. So, with your permission, are you willing to be interviewed by us? Can you state your name?
It's okay. My name is Derek Olsen T. Santan. Santan Akui. So, let's begin for the questioning. So, first question is, who are you? So, without telling your name so who are you?
So I am a teenager, type of person. It's a type of person you're friendly and makes like bonds sa mga friends.
Okay.
And I am actually an emotional type of person.
Oh, emotional, okay. So, there's a follow-up question. So, beyond how you see yourself, do you feel like you're okay with who you are right now? Or is there something about yourself you wish was different?
So it depends on what like situation sa akong life, my experience. I am okay right now. I have friends like families to support me. But sometimes if I get to like experience problems, I wish that kana ma-overcome na po ang mga struggles or mga obstacles na akong na-face and ma-wish na ako katong nga time ngayong ang mga agyan ako is mas strong, like di ka nang na-encourage akong kagalingon and trust myself.
Okay, good. So, for the second question is, what made you the person you are today?
So as a middle child, I am a kanang religious person sa akong family and wala pa na ako na kailagid si Lord is I don't have any like knowledge about unsay mga like all lang kalibutan ng mga things ba. So after I gain knowledge about what's in the Bible, like mga is I found myself like I have a courage nga being kind is like binuotan or mag-help sa each other is very important to us. Especially nga we are all humans nga dili dapat mo judge each other. So, I am today like, I am very grateful nga nakaila ko sa ni Lord because this version nga akong na-apply is enough na siya, pero need pa siya improvement sa akong gagawin.
Okay. That's all for our question. It's a good mindset that you have. So, are you willing or is it okay with you to be shown in our documentary video?
Yes, okay.
So, good day, ma'am. We are from Miss Marie Charlene. So, as part of our requirements, we are conducting a documentary video entitled Making of Myself. So, we're identifying the person's identity, changes to stages of life. So, with your permission, ma'am, are you willing to be interviewed by us? And may I know your name?
Yes, I am Sharon Ann Monaset, the office clerk of Marine Engineering Department.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So, let's begin, ma'am. So, the first question is, who are you? Like, if you're not telling your name, so who would be? Like, you're a hardworking person or another, you're a dreamer, like ganun, ma'am. So, who are you?
So for me, I am a hardworking mom because I have a daughter and just a simple person who's working along with others.
Looking back, how much of your life was built on your parents' values versus your own?
Parents' values. Oh, it influenced me from then until now.
Yeah. Okay. Then if we compare it to your own values now,
It's the same because they taught me things that are kanang mga proper ways. Yes, the behavior and most especially to the faith to our God.
okay, ma'am. So for our fifth question, ma'am, what was the biggest turning point in your life, or is there a moment or happening that changed you?
Like what I said earlier, the day that I became a mom. Yes.
So, okay, that's all our question, ma'am. So, your personality is good and can be a good influence to our students. So, are you okay or is it okay with you to be the interview with you be shown in our documentary video?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the time, ma'am. Thank you so much.